Finding the z-score for the stated confidence interval. A confidence interval for a population mean with a known standard deviation is based on the fact that the sample mean follows a normal distribution. So when we know the population standard deviation, we use a standard normal distribution to calculate the EBM and construct the confidence interval. So we have to find the value of z that puts an area equal to the confidence level in decimal form in the middle of the standard normal distribution, where z is a normal distribution 0, 1. So let's just take a look. Suppose scores on exams and statistics are normally distributed with an unknown population mean and a population standard deviation of 3 points. A random sample of 36 scores is taken and gives a sample mean score of 68. It says find the confidence interval estimate for the population mean exam score, the mean score on all exams. Find a 90% confidence interval for the true population mean of statistics exam scores. So let's go ahead. So the first thing I did was write out all of our information. So the sample mean is 68. The standard deviation is 3. The number of samples is 36. And the confidence level is 90%. Now we are going to get our calculators. And from this point, we are able to use our calculators to get our answer. So we are going to go to Stat. We're going to go over to Tests. Then we're going to go down to the 7z interval and you press Enter. We're going to arrow to Stats and hit Enter. And we are going to go down and enter 3 for the standard deviation. We are going to enter 68 for the sample mean, and we are going to hit 36 for the number of samples, and then 0.90 for our confidence level. Then we go down to calculate, and we hit Enter. So you can see here the confidence interval is to 3 decimal places is 67.178 and 68.822. So what this means is we estimate with a 90% confidence that the true population mean exam score for all statistics students is between 67.18 and 68.82. So 90% of all confidence intervals constructed in this way contain the true mean statistics exam score. So for example, if we constructed 100 of these confidence intervals, we would expect 90 of them to contain the true population mean exam score.